Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio. Tonight we're going to be making a delicious drink. Maybe. We don't know exactly. Have you ever looked at the bottles behind you or sitting in your cabinet or, just like this, and you go, I wonder if I mix certain things together what they would taste like? Well, tonight we're going to do just that. I was looking at our Deep Eddy vodkas with all the flavors, and I was like, what would happen if we mix those all together? What would they taste like? So tonight we're going to do that with you guys. All right, guys, now the ingredients for tonight. We're going to be using Deep Eddy's Ruby Red Grapefruit. We're going to be using their Cranberry. We're going to be using their Lemon. We're going to be using Peach. We're going to be using Lime. And we'll top it all off with their Orange. These are the ingredients for tonight's drink, guys. Let's get started. Okay, now, to make our drink for tonight, we got our pint glass. We're going to fill it with ice. Okay, now that we have that filled with ice, let's start. We'll do a ½ ounce of peach. We're going to move to a ½ ounce of orange. We're going to move to a ½ ounce of lemon. We're going to move to a ½ ounce of lime. Next up, we got a ½ ounce of cranberry. Ooh, splashed everywhere. Then we're going to top it all off with our ½ ounce of Ruby Red Grapefruit. Woo, that's a lot of booze. Okay, now we're going to bring over our sugar-free Red Bull. Top this bad boy off. Okay. I love the smell of Red Bull. Put in our straw. Throw off that ice cube. And guys, I think we're going to call this one the Deeper Eddy Experiment. Hey guys, all right, so after making this, it has a very unique profile. I don't know if I would recommend it to anybody, but you've got to try it at home for yourself to see if you'd like it. We don't make this in the bar, of course, because it is a 3-ounce drink, and you couldn't order this at all. But I recommend you guys try this at home. It was fun. Also, the taste on this thing, when you first taste it, honestly, you can taste every single one of these flavors individually as it hits your tongue, and it's kind of funny. And then when you get the Red Bull. So on a good one of those nights where you just have to get there, make one of these for yourself. It'll probably work. Till our next video, guys. I'll see you then.